Guys, this is boy Binky. I'm back for another video from how to PC. Today I walk you through how to enable the icon of the sounds in the taskbar. The step is very easy. You go in the share wheel and go to device management, click on it, and you need to go to input and outputs. You need to disable that and disable that again, all it to there, disable it and re-enable it again, and that will fix the problem. And after that you need to update the driver like that. After that you need to restore your PC, and that will fix the problem. And this video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.